Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And today's feature comment goes to Emily T because she was the first to comment on my last video. So I asked on Instagram what colour and what method you guys wanted to see in the next video. And the percentage of you said purple and the normal polygel application, so that is what we are doing today. So as you guys know, I like to buy most of my polygels off of AliExpress purely because I live in the UK in Wales and it's really hard to get your hands on certain things. I know Makat and Saviland are now accommodating to Europe and the UK side of sales, which is absolutely amazing. But I bought these a while ago now, so yeah. But I didn't buy the full kit, I just bought the colours that the polygel colours because I've got a lot of base coats and stuff like that and I didn't see the point in repeating. So we are just swatching the colours now and there are some absolutely gorgeous colours. That first purple, it actually shifts into blue and pink. Then that second is like an iridescent sort of pinks, yellow and blue. Then you've got that shimmery light muted purple, but it's absolutely stunning. Then you've got that darker purple with silver and purple and like hollow bits. You've got a normal nude, well it's not a nude, it's a purple, it's just a solid colour. And then of course you get the cateye polygel, and this is actually a really nice colour. I was like, oh okay. You will also get in this kit, I will link it and I will put a picture up somewhere on the screen here of what it actually looks like in total. Like I said, I just bought the colours, but you will get like everything that you need if you bought the kit. It was just cheaper to, of course, buy the colours. You will also get a clear. I already have their clear, so I did show it in the video, but I think I used it on just the middle finger. Didn't use it on any of the other fingers, so yeah. So I am going to be using the Kira Sky Jelly Soft Tip or Prey, whatever you want to call it, dupe method, where I'm just using my AliExpress extra XXL coffin tips. They're gel tips, they're Prey ones, I think, I'm not sure, I'm babbling here. And I'm just putting on some base coat into the well, and then I am of course securing them onto my nails with my mini nail lamp. And then what I do is after I flash coat it, I do a full coat in my lamp, and then you buff away the shine. So of course before you do this, you will of course want to go in and prep your natural nail like you would, pushing back the cuticles, taking away the shine, dehydrating and primer, putting on a base coat. I use a peel off base coat, as you guys know, and yeah, and then you just go on with the method. So I am going to now put on some base coat, and I cure in between, not in between, sorry, I cure for 60 seconds on all the fingers, but the polygels themselves, I would recommend you cure for a full 60 seconds. Some of them, they weren't, they cured, they were fine, they cured fine, but the full 60 seconds is needed, and I have a 72 watt lamp, so yeah. They are a little bit sticky, but they are absolutely stunning. I didn't mind the stickiness at all. Some were more sticky than others. I don't know what's going on with the formula lately. Sure, I'm an ambassador now, and I absolutely love Saviland stuff. You guys know I'm obsessed with Saviland, Model Ones and Makat and Gershon, but I'll always be honest, and even though I'm an ambassador, I don't know why, but all of a sudden their polygel's gotten a little stickier. I don't know if they've changed their formula. They must have, because not their other polygels are absolutely amazing to work with. I've had no problems with them. So yeah, I don't know. People say I'll stick them in the fridge, but my flat is actually cold because we've had really cold weather, because it is obviously now coming into autumn, so it can't be the heat anymore. That can't be an excuse. So yeah, I don't know. I live in Wales as well. Have you seen Welsh weather? 90% of the year it rains. It's so much fun. No, but yeah, but other than that, the stickiness, like it's bearable stickiness. It's not annoying. It's alright. I think a lot of polygel brands are sticky though, and I wouldn't stop buying them just for that reason. They'd have to have some pretty bad reasons. Do you know what I mean? So we done that beautiful purple and silver holographic on my thumb, and I love that colour. I think it's absolutely stunning, but this one and the iridescent one are definitely my favourite. Oh, look at that. This kit just gave me like mermaid vibes. I don't know why. Like, well, no, of course I do know why, because it's mermaid colors, but like it was just I had to use all the colors. I didn't use a cat eye polygel because I'm going to do a video on all of the cat eye polygels from Saviland in one video, do like a galaxy themed set or something. That's the only reason I haven't used any of the cat eye polygels, and I don't think that the cat eye polygels are really that popular. I think it's a hit and miss with like cat eye gel polish. And all these companies are now coming out with this cat eye gel, polygel. I know Model Ones was the first, Saviland was the second, and is it Rosalind? That's now the third. But yeah. Oh, and also this purple mermaidy colour, in the UV light it turns pink. The more you know. I was quite shocked at that, but that was like I just had my hand in the light and I was like, oh, it's pink, and I grabbed my little mini lamp then, and then I showed you guys as you just seen on the screen. So yeah, because it was one of my favourite colours, I actually used that purple that shifts to blue and stuff, and also changes to pink and fluorescent colouring. I used that on my little finger and my index finger. I used that iridescent one that we're using now on the middle fingertip, and then I go in with that shimmery light muted purple colour on the nail bed, and I ombre them together, curing in between, of course. And then the ring finger, I use that purple colour, just the solid colour, and I go over with that iridescent colour then to give it some shimmer, because I didn't want to, like, because obviously it was a glitter set, it was a pure glitter set, but you can see what I mean by just a little bit sticky. It's not like unworkable. You do definitely need to dip your brush a little bit more. That's how you can work around the stickiness. I've done a set with it, so it can't be that bad. Trust me, I've tried worse. But they all cured fine. They all cured for 60 seconds. If you obviously have a lower wattage lamp, I would recommend curing for longer, but always read instructions and stuff like that, because you never know, and every company is different. But I'm just going to let you guys watch this bit and the filing. The filing is pretty simple as well. And then I'll be back for all the decoration and stuff like that. So I'm going to put some music on and some feature comments. So I'll speak to you guys in a bit. And also, don't forget to enter the giveaway, the giveaway collab. It's going to be ending in a week's time. So because it's Saturday today and it's ending next Saturday. So please, 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 guys, make sure you all enter, because I want to give something back, and you know, I want you all to have a chance to win. So yeah, just make sure you enter. I'll be back in a bit. Bye. I'll link it in the cards. And I'm back, guys. Hello. So obviously once I'd finished filing, I wiped away all the dust, and then I threw away that paper towel into a little plastic bag, because obviously it's got the powder and the dust on from the nails. And then I went in with the Saviland top coat. I top coated the thumb, cured it, and then I'm gonna go in with my rhinestone glue, and it's a gel. It's basically builder gel, I guess, but it works really well to hold on your stones. I have not had a problem with this ever. It's secure. It's held my stones on for, well, until I've taken them off. I've never had a problem with it. So I just done a little like stone design to the side of me before I started recording, because I didn't think you'd want to see me like just picking through stones, because that would have been really boring. So I made like a little design that I wanted to put on my nails. I kind of winged it a little bit, and then obviously put the gel on, and then pressed the little stones into the wet gel and stuck my hand in the lamp to cure, and then I went around the stones with their top coat. This rhinestone glue also has no sticky layer, so you can top coat and then just go in with this gel after, because it's got no sticky tacky layer, which is absolutely fantastic. And then of course I just went in and I top coated all of my other nails. Do you know what I want a lot of companies to do? Give us bigger brushes. Us long-nailed people can't deal with these small brushes. I'm sorry, I gotta be honest. Beetles does it as well. It stresses me out. The only brush that I like is from Model 1's top coat and base coat. Their brush is absolutely superb. So of course I added some cuticle oil, and then that was it, guys. These are the results. Sorry, this video is a little bit short. I've been really busy with everything going on right now with Wales, trying to get all the kids to go back to school. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to enter that giveaway. I will leave a link in the cards. I hope you're all staying safe, keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.